Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this video, we talk about some questions from our customers. The first question is about the fan used on RD series power supply and RK series power supply. Most devices has a fan on the back, and this is a fan socket. It can provide 5 volt and 200 mA max. You cannot use another fan connected in parallel. And the second question is that the working mode. Our RK series power supply are buck mode, unless the RK6006H it is buck boost mode. When we power on it, please wait. When we power on it with 12 volt, you can see if I set 12 volt output, it can only get 11.2 volt max. It is buck working mode so that there is voltage drop between the input voltage and output voltage. Normally it is 10%. Okay, the third question is that if I insert this device into the case and I do not connect a load, I just power on it, no output, why the fan is still working? It is because even at standby mode, it still consumes the power, and the power will generate the heat. And if you do not use an extra fan to deliver the heat inside the case to outside the case, then the heat will accumulate and reach the fan working condition, so that you will find even you do not connect a load, the fan of the device will work from time to time and stop. Okay, the last question is about the CCCV mode. Some customer said that the power supply cannot work as what he said. For example, now I set 5 volt 2 ampere, and the power supply only consume less than 1 ampere. Why it is not 2 ampere? Because under 5 volt, the current equals to output voltage divided by the load resistance, so that it is CV mode. And when I increase the output voltage, for example, now it turns to CC mode, then some customer will have a question, why it is not CV mode? I just want it to output the voltage I set. It is because the output current you set limits the output. If you want it to output 13 volt, then the output current will be higher than 2 ampere, but you just limit the output current at 2 ampere. Then it can only be CC mode, constant current mode. You can see I increase the current voltage, it will not change. But if I increase the current, it turns to CV mode again. So your setting and the load resistance is very important. They decide the CC and the CV mode. It cannot controlled by yourself.